The new gold rush has no hands on deck. Imagine building a business that runs 24/7 while you sleep, travel, or binge your favorite show. A business where AI does the product research, writes the ad copy, runs the customer support, and even automates the logistics. That's not science fiction anymore. It's the new reality of AI-powered dropshipping. You don't need a warehouse, you don't need employees, and you definitely don't need to be a marketing genius. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the right tools. In this video, we're unlocking how to build an AI-powered dropshipping business from scratch and scale it to the moon with minimal effort. Welcome to the new era of e-commerce. Why dropshipping is easier than ever. With AI back in the early 2000s and 10s, dropshipping was a Wild West hustle. You had to guess winning products, manually copy-paste orders, and pray your Facebook ads worked. Today, it's a science, and AI is your smartest employee. Let's break down how AI eliminates the old pain points and unlocks effortless cash flow. AI kills guesswork in product research. In the old days, product research meant scrolling AliExpress or copying what other stores were doing. It was slow, risky, and almost always hit or miss. Now, enter AI. Tools like Sell the Trend, Ecom Hunt AI, and Intelligence are built with machine learning algorithms that analyze real-time e-commerce trends, identify emerging winning products, evaluate potential based on reviews, engagement, and competitor movement, predict saturation curves before they happen. These tools don't just suggest products, they forecast performance based on data from Amazon, Shopify, TikTok, and AliExpress. Smart fulfillment. AI does the heavy lifting. Here's where dropshipping used to suck. Manual order fulfillment. Every time a customer bought, you had to go into your supplier's site and process it. Tedious, error-prone, and definitely not scalable. But with AI-powered fulfillment apps like DSers, AutoDS, and Zendrop AI, your backend is fully automated. It's like having a logistics manager who never sleeps. Better yet, Zendrop even uses predictive AI to route orders through faster suppliers based on delivery times and customer location. That means fewer refunds, faster shipping, and happier customers on autopilot. Product pages that convert, built by AI. What good is a winning product if your product page looks like a high school PowerPoint? That's where AI copywriting tools like Copy.ai, Jasper, and Shopify Magic come in. These tools generate high-converting product titles, descriptions, SEO tags, FAQ sections, even emotional sales copy tailored to your niche. These tools adapt tone, length, and emotion based on your target audience, making your product pages feel handcrafted, even though they're built in minutes. Add AI image enhancement tools like Pebbly or Let's Enhance, and now even your product photos look like they're from a top-tier design agency. AI store builders. From zero to launch in a weekend. You don't need to hire a web developer. Platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and even Wix now offer AI-powered store builders. These systems can suggest layout templates, autofill product categories, create professional designs with AI, recommend apps for upsells, reviews, and conversion boosts. Shopify Magic even offers smart prompts while you build, helping you write better headlines, policy pages, and even blog content. You're not launching a business anymore, you're activating one. Automating ads and customer service with AI. So far, you've built the machine. You've used AI to pick winning products. You've automated fulfillment. You've designed a store that looks better than 90% of your competition. But now comes the real kicker. How do you attract buyers and retain them without lifting a finger? AI-powered advertising and customer service. Two of the most time-sucking parts of any e-commerce business. Smart advertising with AI. Never waste a dollar. Running paid ads used to feel like throwing spaghetti at a wall. You'd guess targeting, guess creatives, and hope Facebook showed mercy. But today's AI ad tools are game changers. Meta Ads, AI, and Google Performance Max. These platforms now offer AI-driven campaign optimization. You simply feed the system your product images or videos, a few key headlines, target outcomes, tools that help you create winning ads. Before you even run ads, you need scroll-stopping content. That's where AdCreative.ai, Pencil, and Predis.ai step in. These tools use machine learning to generate hundreds of ad variations, score ad creatives based on performance potential, recommend colors, CTA wording, and image layouts that statistically convert better. You no longer have to be a designer or a copywriter. The machine is your creative team, and these tools learn from your audience response. The longer you use them, the sharper they get. evolving your ad strategy in real time. Automating customer service. Meet your virtual rep. Let's face it, customers can be needy. Where's my order? Do you ship to Canada? Can I return this after using it for a week? If you try to handle all that yourself, your dream of passive income turns into a nightmare. But here's the good news. AI customer service tools are now freakishly good. Meet gorgeous, 𝐷𝐼𝐻, and ChatGPT API bots. These AI platforms plug right into your store and auto-respond to 80% plus of support tickets. Track and respond with shipping info instantly. Handle refunds, cancellations, and complaints. Escalate only the complex issues to you. They maintain your brand tone and voice while replying, so your customer support feels human, even when it's 100% automated. And yes, they support multi-language, emoji-friendly, mobile-friendly, and time zone-aware replies. The result? You save time. Customers stay happy, and your support becomes a profit center, not a cost. AI email plus SMS automation. Turn buyers into repeat buyers. You got the sale, great. But real wealth in e-commerce comes from repeat customers. This is where AI-driven email and SMS automation makes magic happen. Enter Klaviyo AI, Drip, and Omnisend. These tools now offer predictive automation that identifies when a customer is most likely to buy again, sends personalized follow-up offers based on past behavior, triggers abandoned cart emails with dynamic product recommendations, runs holiday plus flash sales, automatically targeting segments most likely to convert. And with tools like ChatGPT plus �W𝐸, you can even generate fresh campaign copy automatically every week. Your marketing becomes a smart flywheel that nurtures your leads, recovers lost sales, and builds loyalty without you lifting a finger. Real-time analytics. AI that tells you what to do next. All this automation is great, but how do you know what's actually working? Welcome to AI-powered analytics dashboards like Triple Whale, Lifetimely, and Shopify Insights plus AI. These tools don't just show you stats, they interpret the data and recommend action. Your Facebook ads are converting at 2.3x, increase budget by 15%. This product has a 20% higher AOV on mobile. Optimize the desktop page. Customer support satisfaction dropped yesterday. AI detected keyword damaged spiking. Investigate supplier. This is like having a full-time chief operating officer, marketing manager, and data scientist working behind the scenes 24/7, giving you executive-level decisions instantly. So if you're ready to go from side hustle to full throttle, it starts with one simple move. Hit that subscribe button. Tap the like if you want more actionable AI income blueprints like this. And drop a comment with, "I'm building my AI empire." So we know you're serious. You're not late, you're early. And the tools have never been this powerful. This is MoneyMatic Masters, where we don't just talk wealth, we automate it.